Provisions for your vision.
Well, good afternoon. I am Diana Clemens, and I am the host and the founder of the radio broadcast Provisions for Your Vision.
Meet Diana Clemens, host of this new radio show on KPRT AM on Monday afternoon at 1:30. It's a show that brings business advice to a hungry audience. While the unemployment rate continues to stay high and people stay in line, there are those that feel there is no hope, except for Clemens. Clemens, along with this gospel radio station in Kansas City, have decided to reach out and give hope a chance to find that entrepreneurial spirit in people willing to find a career working for themselves.
You know, a lot of folks got these great ideas, but how do we take it from an idea to really being a business? You know, there's a lot of things that go into place and getting that worked out. But folks don't get that. They just think, oh, this is a great idea, I can get it done, and then they wonder why they fail.
If you would say hello.
Along with Clemens is co-host Jerry Dumas, a former Kansas City professional basketball star who wants to spread the word that being down is not an end, but a beginning, and hopes listeners to the radio show are willing to learn some business principles and lessons.
You have to, at the end of the day, challenge yourself to want to improve, to want to take the practical resources and apply them into your life. It's going to require some effort. It's going to require some change. It's going to take some time. So if we can just challenge people, you know, those that are listening to this show, in my mind, have already accepted the challenge. Otherwise, they wouldn't be listening in the first place. So we can just challenge individuals, and that may take time. They may hear something through a show that may not register for another 5 or 6 days, 5 or 6 months, even 5 or 6 years. But as we all know, that first it starts with the seed that ultimately, once watered, can develop into the harvest.
Provisions for Your Vision will have guests from the business community sharing their knowledge, their experience, and giving advice, spreading business tips that will help those looking for a path to success. The whole idea is that people listening will figure out that there is a place for them in business, a place for them in the market, a place they can claim their own.
The broadcast is an opportunity for those who have existing businesses to expand, to be connected with the billionaires and millionaires that I've been fortunate to meet and know just in the preparation of this broadcast, that can take their organization and get some capital funds, you know, to help them expand their vision. Now, what about those who are just starting up their business? We're talking about individuals who don't know where to begin, where to start, how to write a business plan, marketing. We're going to be talking about marketing. And so the whole concept of Provisions for Your Vision is to take them step by step through the broadcast, through webinars that will be free on the website, and some will cost a fee, and workshops and seminars that we have leading up to an annual leadership and a entrepreneurship business conference that will launch in 2012.
There are billions of dollars of buying power in Kansas City, buying power that can be harnessed to create success for local business owners and those starting a business. Clemens says the show will appeal to everyone who wants a chance.
Yes, we did talk about on the broadcast about for entrepreneurs, but what about individuals who don't want to own a business? And so we're going to have guests on the show. We'll have workshops for those individuals who are career-minded, who are working on a job. How can they receive provisions for their purpose, their vision on that job? A lot of the scriptures that
So, while Provisions for Your Vision on KPRT AM is about opportunity, it's also about hope. Not only sharing business education, but also some business philosophies to help point entrepreneurs in the right direction. Michael Martinez, 711 TV.
Provisions for Your Vision. Tune in next week. That is from 1:30 to 2:30 p.m. And I just want to...